Citric acid present in lemon juice react with sodium bicarbonate to produce carbon dioxide gas. It is an example of chemical irreversible change. Thank you. Carbon dioxide gas. It is an example of chemical irreversible change.
Turmeric is a natural indicator. We add to the turmeric in acid. We add to the turmeric in acid. It not color changed to red. I will soap solution. I will add to turmeric. The color changed to red. So while this is a base.
Good morning to all. I do the activity of two types of changes. One is chemical change and one is physical change. Physical change. It is no new substance formed. It is reversible and temporary. Chemical change. New substance formed. It is irreversible and permanent. Burning of a candle is the example of both physical change and chemical change. Burning of a wick of a candle is a chemical change. As vapors burn and carbon deposited at the wick. Burning of a wax due to the heat of wick is physical change. Melting of wax, we can reshape the wax and change the shape into a candle. Thank you to all. Melting of wax is a physical change. Thank you to all.
Folding of paper is a physical reversible change because only the size of the paper change. Burning of paper is a chemical reversible change because new substance formed. Ash and heat. The new substance. It is chemical irreversible change. Thank you.